Hello audience, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm SpyBadsy and in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of the SmartWatch T500, which is a clone of Apple's released by SmartWatch. So without wasting time, let's get started after the intro. Now first of all, we have got a box here, Watch T500, and when we open the box we get a dial in the middle and two straps on the sides. And the dial is so small, and it's not a full screen dial. Some part of the screen from up and down is black. We have got a red dial here, and now in Apple Series 5 watch there is a button present, but here you don't see a button. Instead of that you just see a shape of button. It has 12 clock faces. You can change if any of them to. It has got an app store, and you can get a lot of features when you connect it with your Bluetooth and your app. Now what else you see in the box is a user manual and a charger. The charger is very similar to the Apple's charger, and no one reads the user manual, so I'll throw it away. And on the charger you see two pins and two magnets there. And on the watch there are also places for two pins. Now you have to connect these two golden pins with the magnets of your watch, and after you connect them you will see this interface that comes up with the charging effect. And when you turn on this app store button, then you will see a QR code. You have to scan it with your phone and it will redirect to the website that it will connect your app with it. Now here you guys see a step counter and a sleeping timer. Moreover, this watch has a sensor that also works as a heartbeat counter and also blinks up when the watch is charging. I really do not trust the heartbeat of this watch because even when it's not on my palm, it still measures the heartbeat and shows us the result. So, if you're buying it for the heartbeat counting or for blood pressure, then I will not suggest you to buy this watch. And here you see the notifications for Facebook, WhatsApp, and Twitter. You can connect your device with the Bluetooth and get these features. Now, at last, let's talk about whether you should buy the device or not. So, if you are buying for its heartbeat, then don't buy this. And let me tell you clearly that it is not a durable smartwatch. With only one fall, it can be damaged. And another defect is with the charger of the watch. It does not have any strong kind of magnets, and it does attach the watch with it, but in a very loose way. So you have to be careful with that whenever you're charging. Be near the watch or put it on a safe place so it cannot move and fall off the charger and break. Now let's move toward another defect, which is the button. The button of this watch is not a good button. It's a really low quality button. It sometimes the watch does not even turn on when it's pressed once. And in Apple watches there is another button below the main button, and that also works, but here the button does not works. Now everyone can easily identify that it's a clone watch and not the real Apple Series 5 watch. And now if you're buying the watch because it's like the Apple Series 5, then you are making a mistake again. This watch has a lot of defects, and one of them is the strap too. Now, as you guys know that the straps of the watch are removable and can also be attached once again. When you repeat this process again and again, the straps get stirred up and scratched slowly, and once a point comes when you try to attach them and they are not attached because they are so loose now because of getting scratched. I hope that you're understanding what I'm trying to say. The straps get teared up and scratched. The defects of the watch are uncountable, and let me state another one. Now, this is the screen or the panel of the watch. It's so small, and it's in the middle of the watch, and the watch is not a full screen display. The display is in just in the center, and from the up and down it's just black, and now anyone can easily identify that it is not a original Apple watch, and it's a clone, and a very bad clone. Now let's talk about the advantages. The one advantage of this watch is that it can be paired up with your phone, and you can get all the audio of your phone, videos, or and any other audio that or something that you're playing in your phone, you get the sound in your watch. Now this is a good thing, because to share your sound with your watch. And now let's move toward another advantage of this watch, that is notification. Now any notification that you get in your phone, that is WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, or any other app in your phone, you will receive the notification in your smartwatch, and you will be notified that you have received a message. You can also view the message and go the details in the messages, and you can also receive calls and dial the messages. And now this is a really good thing, and I really like this thing that it has a quick responsive system for the quick answering calls, dialing the calls, and getting the notifications. Now, if you are buying it for this, then you definitely should. My audience, this watch has 12 clock faces, and you can also add your own custom wallpaper in this watch as a clock face, and you can also add some other clocks as a clock face in this watch. Now that's a really cool thing to do. And now if you are buying this watch to change the clock faces every time you want, then you should must buy this watch, because it has 12 built-in clock faces, and you can also add some other clock faces manually. I hope that you're understanding what I'm trying to say. Now let's go for the next advantage. Battery timing. Once fully charged for 2 hours, the battery will last for 34 hours or up to 38 hours. Now, isn't that really cool? Only charging for 2 hours and getting a battery time by 38 hours. It's really a good thing. Now, if you're buying this watch for the battery timing, then you definitely should buy this watch, because it has a really good battery timing, no doubts. And moreover, you can set alarms in the device and so on. So guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and understood every detail about this watch, because I did my best to make you understand everything about this watch, and whether you one should buy it or not, and every defect and every advantage of this watch. I cleared every detail in this video. So now it depends upon you to buy this watch or not to buy this watch. So that was it for today, and make sure to subscribe my channel and like the video for more videos of unboxing and reviews. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.